Hi there, thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to do the unboxing for the Stationery Selections May box, and that's the information below here. I'm just going to go down this list. I'm not sure if Skylar has updated her video yet or not, but I wanted to film this and post this up because I wanted to show you several things, and I know people are already receiving their boxes. So I'm just going to quickly go down this list. The first thing is the Kokuyo Pen Case, and this is in the flat biz version. So I know this is very popular for the normal version is very popular for being able to stand on its own like that. So if you're at a desk and you have your pencil pouch, you can have it standing up and you can just, have easy access to it. But this is like the slim biz version, so if you just really need your essentials, your basic stuff, this is a really nice alternative. The colors will vary. There's this gray color, there's also like a charcoal black, as well as a navy blue. So there were different color variations. But yeah, I thought it was nice. It's a nice, neat, slim profile. I thought it's really great for on the go. So this is the Kokuyo Ruler, and it is my mistake. When I was looking at the measurements for this, I was reading the product description and it said 17 centimeters, and then I thought to myself, okay, so it should fit the aluminum ruler because the ruler is 15 centimeters, but I didn't take into account this extra bit here. And so I received a message, and I'm so thankful for this message, but she said the ruler doesn't fit inside the pencil case, and oh my gosh, I can't believe it. If you take it out of the plastic sleeve, which I don't really recommend, I don't know, it's not sharp, but I don't know if you have kids around or something, maybe it's best to keep it in the plastic sleeve. It is it's a very tight, snug fit. You can see right there. Maybe if you put it on an angle, and it will close, but I think it's a little bit difficult when you have the plastic sleeve on. But yes, it's my mistake. I did not take into consideration this extra bit here. I just thought, okay, it's a 15 centimeter ruler, and the pencil case is 17 centimeters, so it should fit. So yes, but yes, it's my mistake. But I thought this ruler is so simple and lightweight, and if you need it just for not necessarily just for measuring things, but even if you're using it for like washi tape cutting. Let me see if I can do a sample. So I have this washi tape sample, and let's say you're out and you want to cut a piece of washi tape, you don't have your scissors. I think this is a great way to, and I know a lot of people do use credit cards and things like that, but it's a really nice clean cut if you don't have scissors. So I thought this ruler would be nice to add to your pencil case, and similarly, it's a nice slim profile. So I'm trying to put this in here. Let's see, actually, let's try again with the, I tried it once with the, yeah, see, it won't fit with the plastic sleeve. It's quite snug. I mean, if you push it down, it might, but it's a little bit difficult. It probably snags on it a little bit, eh? So my suggestion would, if you're very, so my suggestion is if you really want to keep this in the pencil case, you'll have to push it down, or you'll have to carry the ruler without the plastic sleeve. Next on the list is the Maruai circle stickers, the washi stickers. So this one will also vary. There's the purple, there's also the green with the T. There's a yellow one and a blue one for the rain. And I just wanted to show you these little, like, for, I guess, North American and other countries, this little character here looks kind of like a ghost. And actually it's a talisman, and I've explained it here in the product description, but It's kind of like a good luck charm for warding off rain, or if if there is a big event the next day and you don't want it to rain. A lot of people here in Japan, they make these little guys and they have hanging by the window. So I thought it was really cute, and I love these washi stickers. You can see this one right here, and it just peels off, and because it is washi, it's really nice and thin, and I love the illustrations. They're very, very pretty. So that's the blue one, and then this is the purple one. This is kind of like a sleeping pattern. The green was the green tea. The yellow version, I think they had like stars and sheep. I think it was kind of like a, oh no, maybe that's this one. Next one here is the Midori to-do paper pad, and it's always convenient to have these nice big lists of to-dos, and I just chose this because I thought it would go well with your pencil case if you're planning. I mean, if you're using this for your planning supplies and things like that, you can always have your to-do list with you and you can plan your week ahead. The next one is the Mitsubishi Unistyle fit. I really like the Unistyle fit, and it's packaged in this paper bag. I was a user of Kaleido, and I still use it from time to time, but I found that the Kaleido ink, it ran through quite quickly, and so I've switched to Unistyle fit, and I like the Mitsubishi Uni inks. I don't know if that's the proper terminology, but I really appreciate the Uni inks, and same with like the Uniball. I believe they're all the same type of ink. So it comes with like a orange, black, and this is actually a mechanical pencil, and I wanted to show you how to insert the refills for those of you who are still new to these types of multi-barrel pens. So there's 3 tips here. Everyone should have received a black one. I didn't go with red. I just wanted to switch things up. I thought it would be interesting to add something different other than red, so I went for the orange. So also with the Kaleido, this is kind of a ramble, but I remember one time I was opening the package for the refills, and because it is not protected properly, the refill actually broke. Before I actually had the refill out of the bag, the refill broke while I was opening it, and I was so disappointed. And I knew with the Unistyle fits that they came nice and protected in these barrels. So first thing you can do is unscrew it there. Let's start with the orange. There's a little cap. This part, the colored part, is the cap. You just twist it off and it slides right out, and the tip is at the top here, so you're gonna have to pull it off. And then the tip is protected with the blue wax type of protection right there. So there's the tip and there's the end. You take your body, the black part, and oh, this is going to be hard, but I don't know if you can see, there's 3 holes. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. There's 3 holes. So I'm just going to insert it this way, so the tip of the pen is outwards. I'm just going to insert it through the back part of the pen, or the bottom part of the pen, and I'm going to insert it into the hole, and I'm going to push down. So I'm going to insert it into the hole and push down, and don't be too gentle. Don't be afraid that you're going to break it. Let me see if you can hear the click. Yeah, did you hear that? Hopefully you heard it. So you just have to kind of make sure that it's nice and secure. So let's do that with the black. Just going to twist the top off, and then the whole pen comes out. And then once again, remove the cap. And in Japan here, everything is recyclable. I don't know if you notice, like these marks, the Pura mark means that you can recycle in the Pura bag. The city where I live, they have specific bags for just this type of plastic. So if you are able to recycle, please do recycle them. So once again, with the tip facing upwards and the bottom down, you insert it into one of the circles, and you don't, I mean, it's kind of hard to see. So I know it's kind of hard to see, but just try your best to aim. it's not like you can really push it in a wrong spot. If it's hard for you to see, just kind of twist it until it falls in. So right now I'm not even looking. I'm not even looking in here, but I'm just kind of twisting it around, and then I'm feeling for the pen to go into one of the slots. I felt that, and then it is still quite loose, so I have to make sure I push it all the way in. So here we go. There. So now you can see it comes out, but it's pulling the little handles as well at the same time. So that means you know that it's in correctly, or it's in far enough. Okay, so let's try the mechanical pencil. This one right here, and it's in the 05. You just have to pull off the plastic cap and insert it in. Okay, let me insert it in. Where is it? So you have it in, make sure you push it in all the way. There we go. And then you can tell that it's in all the way because it actually moves. So let's put the cap back on. So how do you use the mechanical pencil? You just click it down, and to let the lead come through, you have to push on this part. I know you're afraid, people might be afraid of breaking it, but I've used it for quite some time now and it's been okay. So yeah, I thought it was so neat when I first found out. Oh, I want to say like a year or couple of years ago, I was like, what? There's a mechanical pencil insert for these multi-pens? I was so shocked. I thought it was a brilliant idea. So I'm going to show you how to insert the pencil lead a little bit later on, after I finished with the rest of the products, because there's just a couple more things left in here. The next two are the Tombow Mono Dust Catch Erasers. It's in the black, and there's the 2 refills as well, and I chose a smaller version. Back in the day, we did over a year ago, we had like a thin square type of, like a thin rectangular type of eraser, but I wanted to do something different, and I chose this one because it would fit nice into this pouch. You can even fit it into this compartment in the front here. It's nice and small enough for that, just like that. Okay, so let me show you how to insert the pencil refills, because I did get a question about that. I believe the 0.5 is quite easy to get, well, pretty much anywhere. And I'm going to grab, I think the recommended amount of refills is 2 to 3 leads, so don't overfill it. So let me show you how to insert the pencil lead refills in the mechanical pencil. You're gonna have to pull out the body, like this part, the insert here, and just hold on to like the body part, not near the nib, because I don't think it's gonna bend, but I believe it's more fragile up here. So I would just kind of recommend holding on to the body and just pulling out. Just like that. I know it feels like you're breaking it, but it's okay. I mean, like when you have to refill these ones too, you have to pull them out just like that. And then if you need to put the new ones in, same thing. You just kind of look for the hole and push it back in. Okay, so for the refill, I actually had to look this up myself, because actually I was refilling it through the tip, and there's a lot, it's an easier way to do it. So it might be a little bit hard to see, but you can see there's a little break there. So see if you can snap the two apart like that. And right now it's full, but you can insert, like I said, 2 to 3 refills. Let me insert one now so that I'll have 2 in here. Yeah, there's just that one. So there's one in here, and then the other one is already in. So I would suggest 2 to 3 refills is what the guy said on the video. But yeah, and then you place it into the hole there, and you close it back up. Oops. just like that, and you push it back in until it stops. So once again, I would hold on to here instead of up here because I don't know how fragile this part is. You can hold on to the darker metal part here and then this part here and just kind of slide it off. Okay, and then let's put it back in. Make sure it clicks into place. Then screw this back on and let's see if that works. So there's the mechanical pencil. The good thing is that you can see which one you're grabbing onto. So let's hold on to the mechanical pencil and then push it down. Yeah. So you can, I don't know if you can hear that. You probably can't, but there's the other lead inside. So that's how you do a refill for the Unistyle Fit mechanical pencil insert. So that was May's stationery selection box. I hope you enjoyed watching. If Skylar's video is up before this one is, I will post the link down below. June is already sold out. Thank you so very much. I am very excited for June because we have a couple of collaborations for June. I know there's been a bit of sneak peeks and things on Instagram and Facebook. Also, if you don't follow me on Facebook or don't follow the Stationery Selection on Facebook, please don't forget to do so. I do more exclusive type of things there. For example, for the next box, I give first dibs for color selection and things like that. So if you are on Facebook, please feel free to follow us there. The next available box will be July's box, and that will be released in June, probably around the same time, June 18, 19, something like that. It depends on my schedule and my husband's schedule, but stay tuned as I will release the specific date and time. I think the double release times, like 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. or 9 a.m. and 9 p.m., I think that works better. That way it's helpful for the people that live on different parts in the different parts of the world. So that is May's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.